So when I originally bought the Gourmet Goose condiment cups, I was skeptical, but I got them because they were disposable and I thought that they'd be really easy to use at a party. It comes with 12 scoops, 12 tongs, and a set of 20 of the condiment cups. You can use them for just absolutely anything, and they come packed nicely in bubble wrap, and they're packed really well. So if anything's broken, the company will work with you and they'll replace it. But I mean, these are just absolutely fantastic. You can put anything in them. You can put candy in them. You can put dips in them. You can put ingredients that you're using to cook with, or vegetables, or anything. You can absolutely use them for anything. They're great for desserts. They're great for absolutely anything. And then I was really, really surprised to find out that they say disposable, but they're actually reusable. You can just pop these guys into the top of your dishwasher and they're ready to go. So I was expecting them to be really flimsy, but I was surprised at how sturdy they were and how well they worked.